Hi, Mark here. Thursday, November the 20th, 8 a.m. Eastern, 1 p.m. GMT. US session about to get underway. US dollar index strong again, following up from yesterday's strong push higher, testing that 100 level, maintaining above that 100 level today. I've got support at 100.07 and already resistance at 128, and that's before the US session gets underway. Strong demand for US dollar. Be sure to watch in 30 minutes at 8:30 Eastern. We have job reports, labor numbers coming out. Remember, with the government shutdown, we haven't seen this for going on 2 months. These numbers are therefore dated, and we're looking at September, the September labor report, the non-farm payroll. By the way, in August, the last non-farm payroll we saw was 22,000 jobs. We'll see if this can improve on that number. I'm thinking maybe even double that number. The last in the August reports, we saw unemployment at 4.3%. We'll see what that was in September. Although these numbers are dated, I think what's really relevant as technical traders to watch and see and act on the information that we see. And I do believe the markets will react. The US dollar certainly will react to this data being released. That'll affect, I believe, the equity markets, in turn, gold. So do watch out for that. But strong US dollar certainly to start the day leading into that non-farm payroll and the labor report. Let's have a look at the S&P 500. So looking at the futures market, a good hour and a half till Wall Street opens up, and you can see the strong gap up to start the day. Yesterday, equities did try bounce back. Didn't really last. There's a big wick it left below, so not much of a fight back. Today, gap up to start in the futures market. Already got support at 6,723, resistance at 6,758. Going into the US session, demand for US equities, a lot of that as a follow-up from Nvidia's strong report yesterday, their strong earnings report, and that's certainly encouraging to the US equity markets. Let's have a look at gold. Gold hang around that 4,086. You can see 4,110 is resistance for now. 4,038 is support, sitting pretty flat in the middle of that range. Was tested lower. You can see that has fought its way back. Buyers will be looking for this uptrend to this about to be uptrend to finalize to get above this resistance level at the 4,100 and higher. Sellers, of course, will be looking down at the support at the moment, sitting at 4,038. Gold could well take its lead from the US dollar later this morning. Going to look at Brent oil. Brent oil fighting back, sold off yesterday, still sitting in that range between the 63 and 64 as its new comfort zone, comfort level. You can see the support today, 62.96. That's slightly below the $63 level, and I've got resistance at 63.70. So buyers have started strong today. We'll see whether that can be maintained, bearing in mind that overall I still see the buyers and trend as pointing lower. But for now, 63.70 resistance and 62.97 is our support. Bitcoin, not much of a fight back from Bitcoin. Strong downtrend still in place. Yesterday we went as low as 88.3 thousand. Buyers did fight back. You can see that. Have tried higher today. I've got support at 91,000 and I've got resistance at 92.9. That's almost 93. So that's close to a 3,000 range to start. Buyers have tried and are trying to get back above that 93,000 unsuccessfully at this point. Buyers is down, trend is down. We'll see whether sellers can continue with the sell-off and get below this 90,000 level, or if at some point buyers are going to make a stand, step in and bounce up and get back above that 93, 94,000 as a start. Good trading. Keep that discipline today, and I'll see you at end of day session.